Hello everyone, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to improve your listening and understanding skills while you speak. Are you ready? Today we will talk about the challenges and beauties of learning a language. As you know, learning a language takes time. We learn by making mistakes, and these mistakes are important steps that help us improve. I am both a language teacher and a language learner. While enjoying the excitement of talking to people from different countries, we also experience that the small mistakes we make are a natural part of the learning process. So don't worry, have fun and practice while learning English. Now, to make our listening practice even more interesting, let's move on to an inspiring story. Listen carefully to the story below. Improve your language skills and be inspired. Here is our story. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share a story that shows how even the most heart-wrenching loss can transform into a beacon of hope and strength. Meet Maya, a devoted social worker in her late 40s whose personal tragedy evolved into a mission of healing and community empowerment. Stay with me. Maya's journey is a reminder that no matter how fierce the storm, there's always a path toward light. Maya had long been known for her compassionate nature and her unwavering dedication to those in need. But a few years ago, she experienced an unimaginable loss. Her beloved mentor, Mr. Thompson, passed away suddenly. His kindness, wisdom, and unwavering support had guided her through many challenges, and his absence left a void that seemed insurmountable. In the depths of her grief, Maya wondered how she could possibly honor Mr. Thompson's legacy. Then, during a counseling session with a young client named Alex, who was struggling with feelings of abandonment and despair, Maya noticed a spark of resilience in his eyes, reminiscent of the strength Mr. Thompson had instilled in her. In that moment, Maya realized that her own pain could serve as a bridge for others facing similar struggles. Determined to create meaning from her sorrow, Maya launched a community initiative called Hope in Action. What began as small support meetings in a modest community center soon blossomed into a vibrant movement. Maya organized art therapy workshops, heartfelt storytelling sessions, and collaborated with local schools to offer mental health resources. Her goal was simple yet powerful: to build a safe haven where people could share their experiences, heal together, and find hope amid adversity. Of course, the journey wasn't without its challenges. There were days when the weight of her grief felt unbearable, and moments when doubt crept in. Am I strong enough to lead this change? She often wondered. But each time she witnessed a breakthrough, a tearful smile, a shared laugh, or a small act of courage, Maya felt Mr. Thompson's guiding spirit reaffirm her mission. One unforgettable afternoon at a community art exhibition, a young artist dedicated her vibrant painting to Mr. Thompson, sharing how his legacy had helped her rediscover joy. That moment reminded Maya that even in sorrow, beauty and hope could emerge. Maya's story teaches us that our deepest losses can become stepping stones to create something transformative. No matter how dark the night may seem, every one of us has the power to turn pain into purpose and inspire others along the way. So I ask you, what challenge are you facing today? How can you transform your struggles into a force for change? Take that first step now. Share your story, join a community that resonates with your journey, or simply reach out to someone in need. Let's spark a ripple effect of hope together. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm here to share an uplifting story about how deep loss can light the way to new beginnings. Meet Helena, a compassionate community organizer in her mid-30s, whose journey through sorrow led her to create a network of healing and support. Stay with me. Helena's story reminds us that even in our darkest moments, there is always hope waiting to break through. Helena was well known for her kindness and her commitment to helping others. But a few years ago, she experienced a heart-shattering loss when her longtime friend and mentor, Laura, passed away unexpectedly. Laura's wisdom and gentle guidance had been a pillar in Helena's life, and her absence left a deep void. In the midst of her grief, Helena found herself struggling to move forward. One day, while comforting a neighbor who had just lost a loved one, Helena realized that the pain she felt could be shared and, in time, healed. "I cannot change what happened," she thought, "but I can help others find their light in the darkness." That realization sparked a powerful idea. Determined to honor Laura's memory, Helena founded Dawn Rising, a community support group dedicated to people dealing with loss and hardship. What began as small, informal gatherings in a local park soon grew into a thriving network of weekly meetings, creative therapy sessions, and community outreach events. Helena invited speakers, organized art workshops, and created a safe space for sharing personal stories and building resilience. The journey was not without its hurdles. There were days when Helena doubted whether her efforts could truly make a difference, and moments when the grief felt overwhelming. Yet every shared smile, every tear wiped away, and every new friendship formed reminded her that hope can emerge even after the deepest sorrow. One memorable afternoon at a community art display, a participant presented a painting inspired by the concept of new beginnings, a beautiful portrayal of dawn breaking over darkness. In that moment, Helena realized that by transforming her own pain into action, she was helping others see that every ending can be the start of something hopeful. Helena's story teaches us that even when life brings unbearable loss, we have the strength to turn our grief into a source of healing and empowerment. Her journey shows that from the depths of despair, we can rise to create a brighter future for ourselves and those around us. So I ask you, what challenges are you facing today, and how might you transform them into hope? Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Embrace your pain, share your story, and together let's rise from darkness to dawn.